JEE Advanced result has been declared. So nearly 1,80,000 candidates, so that's an approximation, appeared for the examination, of which 54,378 candidates qualified for the examination. Now, what is important to know is the first rank candidate scored 332 marks out of 360, which equates to somewhere around 92%. There was a tie breaking for the first rank. Two students secured the same marks, and it's important to understand how the tie breaking works. So student who secures higher marks in maths would be the one who would be given the higher rank. If that remains same, then the physics marks would be taken, and so on. So this was again a case where tie breaking took place. Two of the candidates secured 332 marks. However, if we talk about 2024 statistics, the last merit went at 102 out of 360. So this year we are yet to get the final answer for that, what would be the last rank. But yes, that is the range of scores that you must target for your JEE Advanced preparation. And we have already talked about the tie breaking rule. Now, of the various zones of IIT Delhi, Bombay and Hyderabad performed the best with highest number of candidates qualifying from these three circles, around 11,000 from each of the circles. And so it's now time to start your preparation, not only for mains but for advanced, because a lot of students do this mistake with the platforms they are working on. They actually get the content for the mains, but they forego the preparation for advanced. So don't do this mistake. Keep preparing for your advanced, and the PYQs for advanced are solved along with explanations, along with video tutorials at the platform on Doorstep Tutor. So don't miss that. Wish you all the best. Thanks for joining in. Have a great day.